Water leaking around the base of your toilet is super annoying but totally fixable once you know what to do. Okay, so first up, if you see water pooling around the base, the bolts holding the toilet down might be loose. Grab a wrench and give them a gentle but firm tighten. Next, the wax ring underneath could be toast. Swapping it out is a classic move that usually stops leaks. While you're at it, make sure to reseal the base with some waterproof caulk to keep water from sneaking out. Don't forget to peek at the toilet flange, the ring that connects your toilet to the drain pipe, because if it's cracked or broken, that's a major leak culprit. Sometimes, you gotta replace the flange altogether, which sounds scarier than it is if you have the right tools. When you're removing the toilet, be careful not to damage the flange more. Take your time lifting it straight up. Also, check that the floor around the toilet is dry and solid. If it's soggy or weak, that might be why leaks keep happening. Lastly, after fixing everything, do a test flush and watch closely for any drips or puddles before calling it done. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with water leaking around the toilet base is ignoring loose bolts. If they don't tighten them properly, leaks will keep showing up. Another common issue is skipping the wax ring replacement. Trying to patch or reuse an old wax ring almost never works and wastes time. Third, a damaged or worn-out toilet flange often gets overlooked, but it needs to be replaced to create a solid seal. Otherwise, leaks will persist no matter what else you do. The fix? Tighten bolts carefully but firmly. Always swap out the wax ring with a new one when you remove the toilet, and inspect the flange for cracks or damage before reinstalling. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making repairs like toilet leaks way less stressful. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to get connected with people who actually need their services without all the hassle of advertising everywhere.